Hi, I'm Robin, and this is RVing with Rover. This is an impromptu little video that I just this second decided to do. So I look a hot mess, but I just got some things in the mail, packages in the mail from Wish. And I know a lot of people have questions about Wish and ask about it, so I just thought I would take this chance to show you how my experience turned out. So probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, maybe, I went online and ordered a few things for an upcoming cruise. And so let's open these things up and see how they turned out. The packages are not easy to open. And the first one I pulled out had this little bag in it. And inside the little bag are these adorable little earrings, little flamingo earrings. So cute. They're decent quality. They are big. They're about, I don't know, 2 inches big. They're gonna look so cute on my cruise. And I think I paid $2 for these. Really good bargain. Let's see what else we got. Another package. Get this one open. They are very well sealed. So the first package had the adorable earrings. The packages are very hard to open. They're sealed very well. So I cut these open so that we can see what's inside. So this package, let's see what we have. Oh yes. Oh yes, very excited about these. Adorable little anchor earrings. See if I can get this one open. Stuff is very well sealed. Okay, got out the scissors. Now I can get into stuff. These are so cute. There, can you see? Darling little earrings. Little anchor earrings to wear on the cruise. Adorable. Again, $2. Pretty decent quality too. And my third package, got it open, was a group of earrings. Has nothing to do with the cruise, but I like them and I love earrings. So these are kind of silly earrings. I have a set of teapots. Can you see that? Little teapots. And eggs frying in a pan. Little serving spoons, kitchen spoons. Teacups to go with the teapot. And something that I have no idea whatsoever they are. They have little markings on them, but I still don't know what they are. Something to do with the kitchen, I think. I don't know. But anyway, these all came within a few weeks, and these were also $2 for all 5 pairs of earrings. So for a total of $6, I got multiple pairs of earrings. So cute, very good quality. And with Wish, you pay shipping, and many times the shipping is more than the item that you're buying. And I believe altogether for this entire set, it cost me about $11.50 for the earrings and the shipping. I think that's a decent value, and I'm very happy to order something like this from Wish again. You're not always going to get good quality. It is a crapshoot, but these all turned out really, really well. Very happy with this particular purchase. Thanks so much, and look forward to seeing you again. Bye. Okay, these are a little pair of fire extinguisher earrings to go with the rest of the kitchen stuff. So cute. And yeah, I would probably need this. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye-bye.